Hi folks. In this video I will show you how to disable or turn off Windows Defender. Turning off Windows Defender may help other antivirus programs work better because until now they have been fighting with each other. It can also help to improve performance on your system if you have a weak computer. Also, if you are unable to install or download an application, it may be caused by Windows Defender. So let's take a look at disabling this tool together. Just follow my steps. When you want to fully disable Windows Defender, disable all the checkboxes as shown in the video. That's it. If you are interested in this type of videos, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. For now, bye.